I opened I opened the drawer and put the paper inside it. I opened the drawer and put the paper inside it.
I open. First one is subordinate clause. I opened the drawer.
Hmm. Okay.
First one is subordinating clause. Second one is main clause.
In main clause, okay. Tell me
And
the subject.
I subject put verb.
I opened the drawer and put the paper inside it. Come on, get up. Come on, get. Look the sentence. Tell me which is main and which is subordinate clause.
I opened the drawer.
Hmm.
That is
Hmm.
that is main clause.
Hmm.
Put the paper
Hmm.
inside it. That is subordinate.
Okay. And is connecting both main and
That
subordinate.
is.
Okay. I saw a man who was riding a red bicycle. I saw a man who was riding a red bicycle.
I saw.
Hmm.
First, I saw a man that is main.
Very good.
Main clause, and this who was riding a red bicycle.
No. Was riding a red bicycle is
That
subordinate.
is,
Which is connecting word?
was.
No, was is verb.
Who?
Okay. Last question. Make hay while the sun shines.
He means.
Something.
Means.
Make hay. Hmm. Huh. Make hay while the sun shines. Huh.
Make hay.
Hmm.
Hay.
Huh. Faster.
Hay and then.
Something diamond it may be. Huh. Faster.
I make hay.
Huh.
That make hay. That is subordinating. Uh, it is a clause.
Subordinate clause. Next main clause.
While the sun.
Hmm.
Sun is
Tell the sentence, full sentence, which is main clause.
sun.
The sun,
The sunshine.
which is connecting word.
While.
Go.